begin with the new concern about the effectiveness of the Pfizer vaccine as it relates to the new Omicron variant. This comes as the CDC is urging everyone to get an at-home test before attending holiday parties. So where do you get those tests and how much are they? Ian Cull is in the newsroom this evening with some answers. Ian.
Yeah, and Raj, it may not always be as easy to find one, especially as concern grows over the new variant. And tonight we're learning a little bit more about it. The Pfizer vaccine may not be as effective against Omicron, according to that new study, but some doctors are urging calm tonight.
Tonight, new data from a small study in South Africa is making headlines around the world. It's based on just 12 COVID patients, but suggests Pfizer's vaccine is less effective against the Omicron variant, a 40-fold decrease in vaccine-induced antibodies that could neutralize the new variant. But the research, not yet peer-reviewed, does show those who got COVID before and then were vaccinated fared much better, indicating boosters may provide added protection. UCSF infectious disease expert Dr. Monica Gandhi says the study shouldn't be alarming.
But what that doesn't tell us is the two arms of the immune system that are still at work for us. And what they're called is you develop with vaccines T cells and B cells. And T cells protect us against severe disease.
Dr. Gandhi adds this is a lab study, but the real world results have been encouraging.
Which is the CDC equivalent in Europe just put out a report today that in collecting about 1,000 cases around the world, anyone who's vaccinated, either mild symptoms or no symptoms at all. So that really is pointing towards the clinical data.
Tonight, Omicron infections have now been identified in at least 20 states. While the Delta variant is driving 99% of new infections in the U.S., health officials urging vaccinations.
Know this, everyone in North America is either going to get vaccinated or you're going to get COVID.
And moving forward, the CDC is suggesting before families travel and gather for the holidays of taking an at-home test for extra reassurance. The White House has said it's working to make at-home COVID tests more available and free, while those on private insurance can take one and get reimbursed by their provider. Tonight in North San Jose, we had trouble finding at-home tests like these at pharmacies that run $23 for 2 tests. But store managers told us that supply is often replenished and to keep checking back.
All right, Ian, still with us now. You talked about the Pfizer vaccine and its effectiveness or lack of effectiveness, perhaps. What about Moderna and J&J?
Yeah, well, right now, only the J&J and Pfizer vaccines are being given in South Africa. Pfizer making up about 2/3 of all doses administered there. And also, we're going to get more data on how the Pfizer vaccine holds up against Omicron. That's going to be expected from the company itself tomorrow or Thursday.
Okay, and to clarify, those at-home tests are available, hit and miss, at the local CVS or Walgreens.
Exactly. It depends on what store you go to, even from town to town. Just got to keep checking back.
All right, thank you, Ian.